So here's how you can use camera while screen recording on the iPad. Let's get started. So if you are new to this channel, do not hesitate and subscribe right now, as I have a lot of tutorials that you might be interested in. So of course, go ahead and start the screen recording process as usual, right? So you can go ahead and just press the button in the control center. The countdown will begin with the screen recording. And right now you can go ahead and do whatever you need, basically, right? You can just show something in your notes and whatnot. But the point is that you may want to use the camera as one of the icons or one of the windows which will appear right there. So you can just start using a camera application like this, and you can also add some additional windows to it and utilize both platforms or like both apps at the very same time. And my point is that you can have the camera window open, perhaps pointed at yourself, while at the same time you are like showing something else on the screen. Like you might be, showcasing a PowerPoint presentation or anything else, but you might have your face or like your picture right there with the camera pointed at you. So it's going to be like very useful because more things are going on the screen at the same time. Obviously, for that to work, you need to make sure that you have the, of course, latest iPad OS, and also that the multitasking panel or section in the settings is set up properly, because if you are using the full screen apps only, then it will not going to work. So you need to choose the windowed apps, or you can also go with the stage manager, I guess. That one would work fine for this purpose too. So this is just a quick explanation on how you could achieve this. Obviously, there are more things that you need to take into consideration, and I have a lot of tutorials about the screen recording on the iPad, so make sure you are part of this channel. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I see you in the next tutorials.